Good day, folks. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to withdraw Trust Wallet crypto to PayPal Instant. So, without further ado, let's get into it. So we're going to jump into the browser of choice, and as you can see over here, we're in boomchange.com, and what you can do is, first of all, you want to enter how much you want to send, and you want to also enter the cryptocurrency that you'd like to send. And at the bottom over here where it says it'll transfer that into your dollar amount, and you can just choose where you would like to receive it. Over here, of course, I have chosen PayPal, and you can just go ahead now and tap on exchange, which is just beneath that. The next page will allow you to enter your recipient wallet address, and this you will get from your Trust Wallet app. So once you've entered that in, you can go ahead and also enter your email address. And this is the email address that should be linked to your PayPal account. From here, you can see a summary of what you're sending, what you will be receiving, your wallet address, as well as your email. And you're going to go ahead and check the I agree with terms of use and privacy policy box. And you can tap on confirm, which is just beneath that. From here, you can see that there is an order number right at the top, and you'll now have to click on I have paid, which is just below this page. And once you're done, you will see your deposit has been credited to the account, and you will be able to find it within your PayPal account. Now, this will take 10 minutes to 60 minutes to actually process. So at this point, you should be patient and your funds will be in your account. If this was a helpful guide, please do drop us a big old thumbs up, share it with a friend, and we'll see you next time. Peace!